Day 2!
Yep, that's right, folks. Back with DIY Dave and Company. Here's the company. I'm Dave.
I'm Dave.
He's Dave.
I'm Dave.
He's still Nick. I'm sure we'll get this worked out in the next 24 days, but, well, 23 now. But anyway, yesterday on our Lego City Advent Calendar, we built a bus. We built a bus. Yeah. Anyway.
I did.
Fine. The other Dave built a bus.
Which other Dave?
There's only one other Dave.
What? Not if he had anything to say about it. I'm Dave.
He's confused. Anyway, stick around. Let's see what we end up doing today. Okay. So, we built the bus. Now we need to find, boy, they just jumped right in there. Find number 2 and see what we're building next.
What? What is that?
I am not real sure.
Looks like an arch or a gate or something.
Yes,
why is there a hairbrush?
Some sort of arch.
And why is there a hairbrush?
I have no idea. This is a strange city.
Honestly?
Let's just put it that way. This is a strange city. But it is what it is. Wow, he's got a lot of little round things to deal with. That makes the pillars, I suppose. Maybe it's a beautician shop. Huh.
Pretty small shop.
Well,
I mean, it'll fit the bus.
It'll fit the small people from the bus, yeah. But your Lego characters are usually larger than that. And that's a really big... Don't lose pieces. Do it over the table.
He lost a piece.
He lost a piece. Our city's going nowhere. Oh, we've been saved. Keep it over the table. He built a pillar.
He's built another.
Now, I am really enjoying this Christmas. We get to do what the women folk been doing. Oh, by the way, they are probably, as we speak, doing a video over on CrazyDavesCrew.
There's an extra blue. It's an extra blue. What?
Maybe you just got lucky this time. I think they're doing an advent calendar on some sort of jewelry or something. So be sure you check that out. I'll put a link to that like right here above my head. Oh, sorry.
Wrong.
Am I wrong? Is it over there?
I don't know.
It could be over there. Oh, if it is, Nick probably should duck.
Let's all duck.
Just in case. Oh.
The link just appears above each of us, one at a time, as we all duck.
I don't know how to make that happen.
Hey, let me see that.
No, it's his. He's doing it this time.
Yep, you're doing it right.
He has Dave's approval. He has the other Dave's approval.
The other Dave.
The other
Dave's approval.
The other Dave.
What about you? Where's your approval at?
I never get any approval. That's the reason I just do whatever I feel like doing, you know? He has one wall. I would say he does exactly the same thing on the other wall. The other wall.
Except
which other wall?
mirrors it.
Well, and it doesn't have the thing for the hairbrush either.
Big hairbrush for the tiny people.
Well, this is really cool. So we've got a bus, and the people in the bus can now go to the barber shop or beauty parlor or something.
I don't even know. At this point, I just don't know.
It's something. It could be it has some old-fashioned phones on top of it. Maybe it's a phone booth.
What's with the hairbrush?
To brush their hair while they're making a call.
In case you want to brush your teeth while you're making a call.
Wait, brush your... What?
Hey, it makes as much sense as it being a phone booth.
You have extra pieces, no fair.
Well, maybe we need to hang on to them. They may be useful for something else. Their machine can't count.
Hello?
No, definitely not a phone.
Just garbage noise.
I'm excited. Are you guys all excited and waiting and curious what we're building? He just smashed the wall.
The hairbrush is too powerful!
Maybe put the hairbrush on first. Yay! So, you can't put it on the bus. So we have built something. I think, where should we put something?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Since we don't know what it is, it's like, where do you put it?
For all we know, it could be a bus stop. It belongs to the bus.
Maybe it's a train station. Or a bus stop. Yeah, we could do that.
It is a bus stop!
Well, why would you have the hairbrush, though? That's still, the hairbrush just totally throws everything off.
If you want to brush your teeth while waiting at the bus stop.
I don't know.
So then it would go here.
Why do you have your mask on?
You know, no masks. Oh. Anyway, I guess we'll have to wait until tomorrow to find out what's next. By the way, I get to do tomorrow. Be sure you come back. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to click that subscribe button and the little bell beside it. Give us a big thumbs up if you think we are just totally insane. In the meantime, we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.